Yeah.
This is for geeks.
It's recording.
People go over there. People go over there. We don't burn them. We bury them. Understand? People go never over there.
You fucking god.
Read what you saw. No, shut up, man. Don't let my brother be dead. You had this coming. Are you bleeding?
I just got some mummies from the bodies.
That looks fresh. Were you bit?
No. Got scratched during the attack.
You got bit.
I'm fine.
Then show me.
Don't tell.
A walker got it. A walker bit him.
I'm okay.
Show it to us. Show it to us. You want it out here? To the ground. To the ground.
I'm okay. 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 Meow.
In his head, and the dead girls will be done with it.
Is that what you want? Who are you?
Yeah, and I thank you while you did it.
I hate to say it, I never thought I would.
But Daryl's right.
Jim's not a monster, Dad. We're some rabid dog.
I'm not so sick.
Hey, Matt, we start down that road. Where do we draw the line? The line's pretty clear. Zero tolerance for walkers. Or the debate. What if we can get him help? I heard the CDC was working on a cure.
I heard that too. There are a lot of things in the world, but to hell.
What if the CDC's still up and running?
And that is a stretch right there.
Why?